LABSA, or linear alkylbenzene sulphonic acid, is a widely used industrial surfactant found in many detergent and cleaning formulations. It plays a key role in delivering effective cleaning performance across a range of applications. For manufacturers and procurement teams, LABSA is valued for its consistent quality, formulation flexibility, and suitability for large-scale production. In manufacturing environments, LABSA is selected for its performance under production conditions. It delivers strong grease and soil removal, produces stable foam, and maintains reliable performance in both liquid and powder formulations. LABSA also dissolves easily in water and works effectively across a broad pH range. This allows formulators greater control during blending and helps ensure consistent results during scale-up and batch production. Because of its performance characteristics, LABSA is widely adopted across multiple industrial sectors. It is commonly used in the manufacturing of household and industrial detergents, institutional cleaning products, and hygiene solutions. Its dependable performance and compatibility with other raw materials also make it well-suited for high-volume production environments where quality consistency is essential. As an industrial chemical distributor, we supply LABSA that meets established industry specifications. Our focus is on consistent quality, reliable supply, and clear technical support to help customers meet their production and regulatory requirements. For technical specifications, packaging options, or supply inquiries, speak with our team or visit our product page to learn more.